Good evening, everyone. Here I am today to discuss on the topic intellectual property rights. The contents in this presentation include importance, introduction, followed by the scope. Coming to the introduction part, let's learn what is intellectual property and what are intellectual property rights. Intellectual property, they are the creations of the human intellect. They include inventions, literary works, designs, symbols, names used in business, etc. Intellectual property rights, these are the specific rights that are awarded to the individuals or the organizations over the intellectual property. They give the creator the right to prevent others from making unauthorized use for a limited period of time. Why do we need these intellectual property rights? They help us in protecting our creativity, get the economic return on funding invested in R&D, get rewards or recognitions as it is a fruit of your hard work, effort and time. Own your creative works and it helps to create an intellectual asset for selling or licensing. Also, the IPR protects and prevents others from using your own inventions. There are different types of intellectual property rights, which include patents, trademarks, copyrights, related rights, industrial designs, plant varieties, trade secrets, layout designs of integrated circuits, geographical indications. Coming to the patent is a right granted for an invention. Usually, the term of patent lasts for 20 years from the date of filing the patent application. Types of patents include inventions, new processes, new machines, new ways of manufacturing. The next IPR is the copyright. Copyrights are the right that creators have over the literary and artistic works, and the term of copyright lasts for 70 years. For original literary, dramatic, artistic, or musical works, the lifetime of the author plus 70 years from the end of the year in which author dies will be the term for the copyright. Trademarks are the signs that are capable of distinguishing goods or services of one enterprise from those of the others. This trademark is the oldest method where artisans used to put their signature mark on their products. The term for trademark lasts for 10 years from the filing date. And the last one is the geographical indications. The GI is a sign indicated on products that have specific geographical origin. That possess a quality, reputation, and other characteristics due to their origin. The term of geographical indication also lasts for 10 years, renewed from time to time for further period of 10 years each. These are the different types of geographical indications that are represented on the Indian map. And the last one is the plant varieties. These plant varieties IPR helps in seeking to acknowledge the achievements of breeders of new plant varieties by giving them an exclusive right for a limited period of time. The term for plant varieties depends on types of the crops. Usually it is 18 years for trees and vines. These are the few references that I have used in this presentation. Intellectual property is a key aspect for economic development. Create yourself to look up rather than using others' creation and getting locked. Thank you, everyone.